Chefs, restaurants, and growers across the state have started to bring the table to the garden. Farm dinners are becoming more and more popular, and during the height of the growing season, it's pretty easy to find one in your area. Not only are farm dinners a great opportunity to sample the bounty of our state, but they give people a chance to reconnect with the growers in their communities.
We wanted to give our customers an experience to actually eat where the food was grown.
Daniel and Ellen Roseman are two busy individuals. Aside from owning the restaurant Milk and Honey in Harlan, Daniel farms with his family just outside of town. Midsummer, on what was one of the hottest days of the year, they helped organize a farm dinner to highlight what they do and to showcase a wide and diverse array of growers around the area.
Peas with oats, wheat, and barley together, 4 crops.
Oh, they're delicious.
We're a 5th-generation farm. My brother, myself, and my dad are all on the farm now. There's a love for the land and to treat it with respect. That's been handed down through my family. We're very proud of the way we farm.
We've got so many things coming to you. So I have marinated tomatoes, and I have grilled romaine with bacon vinaigrette coming to you now. And the flowers garnishing the meal tonight are nasturtiums. They are edible if you would like to eat them.
We try to promote our style of farming, and this farm dinner is one way to showcase the type of farming we do. It really was a good way to show people where their food comes from and that it can be done in a sustainable way that is sustainable not just environmentally but also economically.
Milk from Milton, beans from North English, syrup from Garnavillo, produce from Kelowna, Pandora, Orient, and Glenwood. The list goes on, showcasing Iowa's diverse ingredients.
There's so much fresh veg right now, too, that we lighten it up with as much fresh vegetables in different places, and yeah, just really have fun with that part.
So we really believe that supporting local farmers supports the local economy. Farms, when they have more outlets to sell their food, have more opportunity to scale their farm. So we do everything we can to support our local growers.
Those cherry tomatoes?
Yeah.
We had folks that drove over 3 hours to come eat.
Probably the freshest meal I've ever had. All right.
Friends of our family and then neighbors, and then there were quite a few folks that maybe didn't know anybody, but everybody made friends because we all sat in one long table together underneath a tent, and it was all family style.
It's hard to get more quintessentially Iowan than a summertime meal on a farm. What better way to eat local than by sitting down to a table laden with food grown only steps away from where you sit?